Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. We are expecting our second baby in March, and I needed a new bassinet that was easy to move around but also had bedside sleeper mode so that I wouldn't have to get up in the night to pick up the baby. I love this one from Earth&Me. It is so nice and sturdy, and I love that the mesh goes all the way down to the mattress so you do not have to worry about the baby putting their face up against the side or anything like that. It also has a super sturdy basket on the bottom, which is great for keeping your blankets or wipes or diapers or whatever you would like. I love that it comes with a waterproof mattress, and it even came with a sheet for it that is super cute. I love the pattern on it. I love that this has the 4 wheels so you can wheel it any direction. It also has locks on the wheels, and you can put the wheels up if you would like to put it into a cradle rocking mode, which is really cool. It is very easy to switch it to bedside sleeper mode. You just make sure it is attached to your mattress with the straps provided, and then you unzip these 2 sides and pull it apart from the frame and roll it down, and you are all set. It is so easy. If you are looking for the perfect bassinet, especially if you travel, since this has a travel bag, I highly recommend this one. I love that the mesh goes all the way to the bottom, and bedside sleeper mode is so easy to use. This is such a great bassinet. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.